nice if I had somebody that could set, but they are just too sketchy. You don't want them up there, trust me. Yeah, we did it once and I was like, oh my god. It literally took longer too, so I was like, fuck it, let's do it all. Alrighty. Yeah. No, they definitely don't. I tried to explain it to the other climber, but he just doesn't want to listen, so whatever. His choice. Yeah, that's most climbers, though. We all know we're all the best, you know. Whatever. Yeah, I imagine. Okay, I'm gonna try to get down as low as I can here. There we go. Alrighty, do you want a straight through cut, or do you want to just hit it back and then what do you like? Yeah, so I'll hit here and then I'll hit the top a little bit. Gotcha. Okay, just making sure. Everybody's different. Here. Yeah. Cool. Velcro is off there, that should lighten up a little. What are the way? Okay. Fuck. Heavier than I thought. Yeah. That's okay. Oh, fuck yeah. Yeah. Oh, we'll have this done in plenty of time if you got to. Alrighty. shackles or not a shackle, things for me to hang on there? Or? Okay. I do, but not on me, so, yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely there in the closest to he's cutting with the saw. I don't know, he should be able to get it. Jesse! Go in my trunk and grab me a strap with a carabiner. I don't need it. Hold on 1 second. Yeah. You want to go with this one next, Hobby? I'm thinking the one on my right here. Okay, yeah, I definitely want it. Alright. Where's he at? Hey! In my trunk! I need the purple strap with the carabiner on it. Friction saver. This one's kind of funky because this one goes out pretty. It goes pretty tall, and that one's. But I think I can get it out there. Screw it. Yeah. Yeah, that's my plan, yeah. For sure. Yep. Yeah, you just put me where you want them, and I'll put them there. Yeah. Come on, Jesse. Orange backpack! Fuck, I should have had that on me. I wasn't thinking. That's fine, yeah, clip from there. Good job. Good enough. The only thing that's going to suck is my rope is going to be down there, so, but it shouldn't get too screwed around in this tree, you know. We'll just go, yeah, my rappel line, but it won't, it's not like you know, this tree, I'll be right up there, so it won't, like, get twisted around or anything. We'll be alright. You know what I mean? That's why strap setters are nice, because you don't have to fucking do that, but... Like, yeah. And I can be stupid lazy and just wait for shit. Yeah, that's nice. Wow, it's windy. Yep.